Brought to you by Reliable Career Academy. From ambition to achievement. National College of Accountancy.
नमस्कार, कार्यक्रम सीए सरोकारमा स्वागत छ। दर्शकवृन्द, आज हामी विशेषतः एसीसीए का बारेमा कुराकानी गर्न रेडिसन होटलमा आयोजित एक विशेष सेमिनारमा उपस्थित भएका छौं र एसीसीए का बारेमा गरिएको यो विस्तृत सेमिनारको मिडिया फलोअपमा छौं। आउनुहोस् हाम्रो कार्यक्रम सुरु गरौं।
Who bring to the council, which is the ultimate decision-making platform within ACCA, the various issues and challenges so that they can take steps to address some of these issues and challenges.
विश्वव्यापी मान्यता भएको प्रोफेसनल अकाउन्टिङ डिग्री एसीसीए पढाइ हुने विभिन्न कलेजहरूको गुणस्तरीय वृद्धिका लागि एसीसीए आफैले नेपालका लागि विशेष सेमिनारको आयोजना गरेको थियो गत डिसेम्बर 13 तारिकका दिन काठमाडौँ लाजिमपाट स्थित द रेडिसन होटलमा आयोजित कार्यक्रममा नेशनल कलेज अफ अकाउन्टेन्सी एनसीए, सीसीए स्कुल अफ अकाउन्टेन्सी, नलेज एकाडेमी, द ब्रिटिश कलेज लगायतका कलेजका प्रतिनिधिहरूको सहभागिता थियो। कार्यक्रममा एसीसीए का लागि इमर्जिङ मार्केट एसियाका प्रमुख रेजा अलीले ट्युसन प्रदायकहरूको भूमिकाका बारेमा बोल्नु भएको थियो भने मेनासा एसीसीए का क्षेत्रीय शैक्षिक व्यवस्थापक हबीबा जैदीले कार्यक्रमका उद्देश्यबारे प्रकाश पार्नु भएको थियो। कार्यक्रमका विशेष आकर्षणका रूपमा रहनुभएका सुएब मास्टर्सले एसीसीए कोर्सलाई कसरी प्रिपेयर गर्ने, विभिन्न विषयलाई कसरी सँगै अगाडि लैजाने र एसीसीए परीक्षामा कसरी राम्रो गर्ने भन्ने विषयमा विशेष अन्तर्क्रिया प्रस्तुत गर्नुभएको थियो। सुएब मास्टर्ससँगको अन्तर्क्रियापछि कार्यक्रममा एसीसीए मेम्बरसिपका प्रति ट्युसन प्रदायकहरूले गर्ने भूमिकाका बारेमा दिलीप निरौला, रबिन कटवाल, रेजा अली र हबीबा जैदीले विशेष अन्तर्क्रिया गर्नुभएको थियो। साथै कार्यक्रमको अन्त्यमा रेजा अलीले एसीसीए का भविष्यका योजना बारे प्रकाश पार्नु भएको थियो। यसै क्रममा हामीले कार्यक्रमका मुख्य आकर्षणका रूपमा रहनुभएका सुएब मास्टर्सलाई नेपालमा एसीसीए सम्बन्धी विभिन्न प्रश्नहरू गरेका थियौं।
Like talking ACCA in Nepal, how did you find it?
My exposure to ACCA in Nepal is through this forum, and what I've met at this forum are former students of ACCA, now qualified members, who are actually imparting the experience and knowledge to those who are now studying ACCA. So in discussing with them, I see a very young market, very enthusiastic and very willing to learn and adapt to change. The attitude I'm taking is, in spite of 20 years experience, I'm taking an attitude of sharing experiences. So already half a day has gone in this forum, and I've learned probably far more than what the participants have learned from me.
What opportunities and threats did you get in Nepal?
Tremendous opportunities and threats in the context, but actually the opportunities arise out of the threats. ACCA in Nepal is going to be competing, and that's why my focus is not on exams, but exams leading to membership, including experience and ethics. And it's going to be competition with competing accounting bodies who are competing for clients and other stakeholders for their services, right? So in terms of competition, that's a threat in itself, but it creates an opportunity to show how ACCA can differentiate itself. And there's some tremendous differentiators. ACCA has a bang up-to-date syllabus, which is based on research with the market. It is a global body with global membership. So if you become a member of ACCA, you become part of a global family. And political boundaries and national boundaries become irrelevant. Today we are a global village. The largest country in the world is actually, for example, Facebook, right? And it's a virtual world. Yeah.
Brought to you by Reliable Career Academy. From ambition to achievement. National College of Accountancy.
केही सुन्दर सपनाहरू सजाउनु छ सफल गन्तव्यतिर पाइला बढाउनु छ भोलिको लागि पनि पक्का हुनु छ सुरक्षा सुविधा र फाइदाको लागि मैले पनि एनबी ब्याङ्क नै रोज्नु छ
सुरक्षित भविष्य र समृद्ध जीवनका लागि सबैको ब्याङ्क एनबी ब्याङ्क।
Reliable Career Academy. From ambition to achievement. Brought to you by Reliable Career Academy. From ambition to achievement. National College of Accountancy.
यसै क्रममा हामीले ACCA का लागि हेड अफ इमर्जिङ मार्केट्स एसिया रहनुभएका रेजा अलीलाई नेपालमा ACCA को स्थिति, ACCA ले नेपालका लागि गरेको विशेष योजना र नेपाल चार्टर्ड एकाउन्टेन्ट संस्थासँग गर्न सकिने साझेदारीका विषयमा पनि केही प्रश्नहरू गरेका थियौं।
So ACCA, or the Association of Chartered Certified Accountants, is the global body for professional accountants. So we support our 154,000 members and 432,000 students in over 170 countries by providing qualifications to individuals of ability and application all around the world without posing any artificial barriers. So our members tend to work in a wide range of industries, from public practice and auditing firms the corporate sector, to academia, to government as well. So ACCA is a global leading professional body. So Nepal is a very important market for ACCA. Currently Nepal falls under the ACCA's emerging markets portfolio, and the Nepal developments are very strategic and very important for ACCA's continued growth and delivery. So in terms of what ACCA is planning to do here in Nepal, we've been in the market for a number of years now. We have now over 2,000 students in Nepal studying ACCA at all different levels, and there are altogether 6 schools teaching ACCA. One of the schools is also a gold approved learning provider as well, which is a very prestigious status that only NCA, only the very best colleges around the world managed to attract. So in terms of what ACCA is planning to do out here in Nepal, we have 6 main strategies. Firstly, we want to work very closely with our members. So those who have done the exams, have met the experience requirements and the ethics requirements, and are now currently working in Nepal in various capacities, to get their feedback and to provide support to them. Our second priority is to work with learning providers. So these are the schools that are teaching ACCA, to make sure that they have the right skills and the ability and the talent and the necessary capacity to deliver ACCA effectively to the students. Our third strategy is to work very closely with the universities. So in fact, in my trip now, we are meeting with Kathmandu University and Tribhuvan University, and we want to work with the leading universities in Nepal, like we do with the top universities all around the world, to create a coalition of top universities so that they can also share in the various best practices. We also want to work very closely with the employers in Nepal, the large companies in Nepal, to help them understand the ACCA qualification so that they may recruit and hire ACCA members and students in their organizations. And finally, we want to keep working very closely with the government, the regulatory bodies, donor funding agencies like the World Bank and the ADB, and of course the national body here, the Institute of Chartered Accountants of Nepal.
We have heard that it is the fact that the Institute of Chartered Accountants of Nepal, it does not recognize ACCA. What do you want to say?
Well, it's so the Institute of Chartered Accountants in Nepal, or ICANN, are very important partners to ACCA. We have been speaking to ICANN since 2010. We have continued this dialogue through various regional forums as well, including the Confederation of Asia Pacific Accountants. ICANN remains a very important partner and strategic, partner in Nepal, and it is important that we work closely with them, and the dialogue and the discussions are ongoing. Now, I think over the longer term, what we would like to see is increased collaboration between both ICANN and ACCA. We completely respect ICANN's position as the national body here in Nepal, and it is our aim and hope that we have a very strategic and collaborative partnership moving forward into the future. And I'm confident that with the leadership of ICANN and with the ACCA, we are committed to building the profession here within Nepal. I think what we have and our joint interests and our mutual aims and ambitions are to contribute to the development of the Nepali economy. And I think our aims are very similar. And given that our aims are similar, I'm sure that we'll be able to work towards a strategic partnership into the future.
What I can have a response to you?
So the discussions are ongoing. We've always had very positive discussions, and every time we've met with ICANN leadership at various regional forums, we've always had very positive discussions. So it has been very positive and very favorable discussions, but in terms of next steps, this will be something that we will work together in confidence, and then once we have agreed on the platform and how we want to launch this collaboration, we will then announce the details to the public.
That means very soon ICANN is recognizing ACCA.
I cannot say that for certain, but what I can say is very soon you will see more news of the collaborative work that ACCA does with ICANN.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you very much. And it's a pleasure being here in Kathmandu. And every time I come here, I look at the development of the country. And I think it is important that, we as accountants and as the finance profession, we have a big role in contributing the growth of the Nepali economy. And then we are confident that with continued partnership from all sectors and all stakeholders, we can achieve a positive end here in Nepal. Thank you.
Thank you.
कार्यक्रमको अन्त्यमा हामीले एसीसीए का क्षेत्रीय शैक्षिक व्यवस्थापक हबीबा जैदीसँग कार्यक्रमको उद्देश्य र कार्यक्रमको उपलब्धिहरूबारे कुराकानी गरेका थियौं।
To speak on behalf of ACCA, just a very brief introduction. I am Habiba Zaidi and I am Regional Education Manager for Middle East, North Africa and South Asian countries. With regards to the Approved Learning Partner Learning Providers Forum, we did conduct this sort of events to train our tutors who do offer tuition to our ACCA and FIA students. And with regards to this forum objective, the objective was the same, to develop the knowledge of our tutors, to share the best practices, and that is why we hired the trainer externally. And yes, it went really well. The expectations of ACCA, the ideal model of ACCA in terms of tutors' role in influencing students' membership, it's about to achieved. When I talk about ACCA tutors' role, it means that tutors do motivate students to study and work together so that they can become ACCA members soon. Plus, they can also pass the exams, because the professional qualification is not only passing the exams, it is also about getting the experience, because in the end, they have to work in the real life work. And with the discussion at the end of the panel discussion we have with the tutors, I'm glad that the tutors of Nepal are really on the track and they really accept the responsibilities, because in this region we do know that it's not, tutors' role is not only delivering the lecture, not only focusing on the making students pass, but yes, they did accept that. That's their
What kinds of feedback did you get from them?
Yeah, the feedback is that the tutors are very impressed by the trainer. We have hired them. They are very impressed by the continuous engagement of ACCA. And just like my colleague Riza mentioned, that we are planning, we are working on the future plan of Nepal, so that we come frequently here. We work with the employers. We want to work with universities. We want to work with the ALPs and to develop more colleges in the market. So the engagement of ACCA, tutors and colleges are very happy with that, and the idea we put on, that was the tutors' role in becoming students, becoming members, is really acceptable. So that's the outcome, and that's the feedback which exactly ACCA want, and I think we have achieved it.
यसै क्रममा नेपालका लागि एसीसीएका विशेष प्रतिनिधि प्रताप प्रधानसँग पनि नेपालमा एसीसीएको स्थितिबारे हामीले केही बुझ्ने प्रयास गरेका थियौँ।
एसीसीए नेपालमा करिब 15 वर्ष भयो अहिले सुरु भएको। सुरुमा त हाम्रो जम्मा 500 जना स्टुडेन्ट थियो र एसीसीएको जुन प्रचार प्रसार भएपछि पहिलो वर्षमै 50-60 जना स्टुडेन्ट पुगेको थियो। अहिले आएर 15 वर्षको अवधिमा करिब 2000 स्टुडेन्ट विद्यार्थी भइसकेका छ। प्रगति अहिलेको हिसाबले राम्रै छ भन्नुपर्छ। अनि अब मुख्यतः अब विद्यार्थीहरूलाई राम्रो टिचिङ पढाइ चाहिँ उनीहरूको राम्रो हुनुपर्छ। सुरुमा के भएको थियो भने हामीले सुरुमा एसीसी सुरु गर्दाखेरि कोर्स सुरु गर्दाखेरि किताब पनि पाउँदैन थियो या कुनै टिचिङको कुनै कलेज पनि थिएन। त्यसकारण हामीले एसीसी नेपाल भनेर हामी 4-5 जना मिलेर हामीले आफै नै ट्युसन एरेन्ज गराएको थियौँ कि स्टुडेन्टहरूलाई अब जोइन त गरियो त कहाँ पढ्ने त सबभन्दा चाहिँ प्रब्लम त्यही थियो सुरुमा। त्यस हामीले आफै नै सुरु गराएको थियौँ। 2-4 जना यहाँका टिचरहरूलाई रिक्वेस्ट गरेर सुरु गराएको थियौँ। धेरै छोटो अवधिको लागि भएको थियो त्यो र पछि आएर अब स्टुडेन्टहरू पनि धेरै भयो, पास पनि हुन थाल्यो। पहिला त टिचर पनि पाउँदैन थियो एसीसी पास भएकाहरू र पछि हुँदाहुँदा अहिले 5-6वटा कलेज पनि छ, राम्रै भइरहेछ। र यो चाहिँ आजको कार्यक्रमले टिचर्सहरूको क्षमता वृद्धि गर्ने भएकोले धेरै राम्रो भएको छ। र अब कलेजहरूको क्षमता वृद्धि गर्नुपर्ने यो इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चरको सुविधाहरू, कम्प्युटरको सुविधा त्यो चाहिँ गर्नुपर्ने आवश्यकता छ। अहिले भन्ने हो भने 6वटा कलेज छ, तर पनि अब कलेजहरूको जुन चाहिँ नि स्ट्यान्डर्ड छ अझ पनि जुन स्ट्यान्डर्डमा हुनुपर्ने हो त्यो भइसकेको छैन। त्यसलाई चाहिँ निश्चय पनि क्षमता वृद्धि गर्नुपर्न आवश्यक छ। र कतिपय ठाउँमा एसीसी र लोकल बडीसँग चाहिँ नि एसीसी नै मिलेर काम गरिरहेछ र हामीले पनि कोसिस गरिरहेछौँ। हाम्रो इन्स्टिच्युट अफ चार्टर्ड एकाउन्टेन्ट्स नेपाल हो है, त्यो चाहिँ नेपालको ऐन अन्तर्गत गठित सङ्गठन हो र त्योसँग हामी कुराकानी गर्दैछौँ र उनीहरू पनि पोजिटिभ नै छ। र एसीसीएको ग्लोबल क्वालिफिकेसन र आइक्यानको लोकल क्वालिफिकेसनलाई दुईजनाले मिलाउन सक्यो भने राम्रो हुन्छ भने उहाँले पनि महसुस गर्नुभएको छ र छिट्टै हुन्छ होला। अलिकति टेक्निकल कुराहरू छ 2-4वटा।
Brought to you by Reliable Career Academy, from ambition to achievement, National College of Accountancy. Reliable Career Academy, from ambition to achievement.
सन् 1994 देखि सुरु भएको हाम्रो यात्रा, यही यात्राको एक कथा, आफूले आर्जन गरेको एक रुपैयाँ सुम्पियो विश्वासिलो संस्थालाई। फेरिँदै गए सालहरू, फेरिँदै गयो जीवनशैली पनि। सुविधा सम्पन्न आफ्नै घर, आजको सफल उद्यमी। सफलताका कथाहरू अरू पनि छन्। अब कथा तपाईको। एनबी बैंक, हामी सबैको बैंक।
Reliable Career Academy, from ambition to achievement. Brought to you by Reliable Career Academy. From ambition to achievement. National College of Accountancy.
कार्यक्रमको अन्त्यमा हामीले कार्यक्रममा सहभागी विभिन्न सदस्यहरूलाई कार्यक्रमका उपलब्धिहरूबारे जिज्ञासा राखेका थियौं।
एसीसीएकै मेम्बर्सहरू अथवा एसीसीएकै डिरेक्ट स्टेक होल्डर्सहरूबाट एसीसीए विद्यार्थीबाट के चाहन्छ, एसीसीए ट्युटर्सहरूबाट के चाहन्छ र एसीसीए अल्टिमेटली लर्निङ प्रोभाइडर्सबाट के चाहन्छ, फर्स्ट ह्यान्ड एक्सपिरियन्स जान्ने र बुझ्ने मौका पायो हैन। सो अब ट्युटर्सहरू जो यहाँ पार्टिसिपेट गर्नुभयो र कसरी पढाउन सकिन्छ, एक्जाममा कुन किसिमले आन्सर लेख्दाखेरि बेस्ट आउटपुट हासिल गर्न सकिन्छ र स्टुडेन्टलाई कसरी तपाईँको मेम्बरसिपको लागि अझ मोटिभेट गर्न सकिन्छ, यो सम्बन्धमा विभिन्न एक्सपिरियन्सेसहरू सेयरिङ भएको, एक्सपर्ट्सहरूबाट इनपुट भएको त्यो नलेज हासिल गरिसके पछाडि अब त्यो नलेज त हामीले विद्यार्थीलाई ट्रान्सफर गर्ने हो, विद्यार्थीलाई लेभरेज गर्ने हो। त्यो कारणले गर्दाखेरि डेफिनेटली त्यसले एनसिएका विद्यार्थीहरूलाई इमेन्स भ्यालु एड गर्छ।
कसरी पढाउनु पर्छ, क्वालिटी कन्ट्रोल कसरी गर्ने, के गरी पढाउने भन्ने कुरा चाहिँ हामीलाई अब उहाँले इन्स्ट्रक्ट गरिरहनु भएको छ। त्यही हो
हुनाले आजको प्रोग्राम चाहिँ टिपिकली हामीले स्टुडेन्ट्सहरूलाई कसरी डेलिभर गर्ने होइन र प्लस त्यो बाहेक पनि अब कुन पिपल्सलाई कसरी लिने, कसरी लिङ्कअप गर्ने र स्टुडेन्ट्सहरूलाई कसरी बेस्ट दिने भन्ने कुरामा चाहिँ इट वाज मेनली फोकस्ड अन होइन। त्यो भएको हुनाले चाहिँ एज अ ट्युटरको लागि यो एकदमै वेल टु द अब्जेक्टिभ, हामी जे अब्जेक्टिभले आएको थियौँ त्यो एकदमै मिट हुने नै थियो प्रोग्राम हो।
Actually, I learned a lot of things. Basically, I got to know that ACCA, when you are as a student of ACCA, you can work in any organization. If you work in finance sector, then you can register your work experience and become an ACCA member.
As a tutor, as a tuition provider, as a ACCA को major stakeholder, ACCA member भएकोमा हामीलाई धेरै कुराहरू सिक्ने मौका भयो। जुन चाहिँ एज अ स्टुडेन्ट हामी लन्डनमा हुँदा अथवा यहाँ पढाउँदाखेरि कति ग्यापहरू हुन्छ हैन, त्यो चाहिँ धेरै एड्रेस भएको छ। यस्तो प्रोग्रामहरू चाहिँ फ्रिक्वेन्टली एसीसीले गरिराख्यो भने नेपाल पनि अरू भन्दा पिछडिको छैन भन्ने अनुभव हुन्छ। अनि एउटा राम्रो एक्सपिरियन्स तपाईलाई शेयर गर्नुपर्दा फ्रम हिज माउथ मिस्टर मास्टर हैन, उहाँको टाइटल सोएब मास्टर, उहाँले के भन्नुभयो भने नेपालको पर्सेप्सन उहाँलाई जुन देखाइएको थियो त्यो कम्प्लिटली डिफ्रेन्ट लाग्यो अरे। जुन पार्टिसिपेन्टहरूको फरवर्ड कमिङ, जुन एक्टिभ लाइभली प्रेजेन्टेसन हैन, पार्टिसिपेसन, क्वेसन आन्सर सेसन, इक्जाम्पलहरू, त्यो देख्दा सबैमा पोटेन्सियल छ, नेपालीहरूले केही गर्न सक्छ, नेपाली एसीसी मेम्बर पनि त्यत्तिकै च्यालेन्जेसहरू लिन सक्छ, त्यो भनेर त्यो पोइन्ट चाहिँ एउटा ठुलो इन्सपिरेसन भयो हाम्रो लागि। त्यो एक्सपिरियन्स उहाँले सेयर गर्नुहुँदाखेरि र यो प्लेटफर्म पाउनु हैन, उहाँहरूले केही सोचिराख्नु भएको छ। जुन तपाईँको प्रब्लम तपाईँले मिस्टर रेजा अलीसँग पनि डिस्कस गर्नुभयो होला, त्यो इट विल टेक टाइम हैन, तर डेफिनेटली इट्स गोइङ टु ह्यापन सुनर फ्युचरमा, त्यो हुन्छ। त्यसले गर्दा हाम्रो कम्पिटिटर होइन कि हामीले कसरी देशको इकोनोमीलाई हैन, देशको जुन अहिले भइरहेको पावर प्रब्लमदेखि लिएर लट अफ इकोनोमी, त्यसलाई कसरी कम्बाइन्ड वेमा मिट गर्न सक्छौँ। कम्पिटिटर त छँदैछ, तर त्यो भन्दैमा कम्बाइन्डले जुन इफेक्ट आउन सक्छ, सिनर्जी हैन, 2+2=5, त्यो निकाल्नेतिर लाग्नलाई धेरै प्रोत्साहन मिलेको जस्तो लाग्छ मलाई।
कार्यक्रममा भएको विशेष अन्तर्क्रिया हामी आगामी श्रृङ्खलामा प्रसारण गर्नेछौँ।
हवस् त दर्शकवृन्द, आजका लागि हाम्रो कार्यक्रमको निर्धारित समय सकिसकेको छ। कार्यक्रम सम्बन्धी केही सल्लाह सुझाव वा प्रतिक्रिया भए हामीलाई निम्न ठेगानामा सम्पर्क गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ। आजका लागि हाम्रो कार्यक्रम यति नै। हाम्रो सम्पूर्ण कार्यक्रमको युनिटसँगै म सुरजलाई पनि बिदा दिनुहोस्। नेपालको पहिलो न्युज च्यानल सगरमाथा टेलिभिजन हेर्दै गर्नुहोला। नमस्कार।
Brought to you by Reliable Career Academy. From ambition to achievement. National College of Accountancy.